Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, LED headlights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window wiper, rear window defroster, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.